So just to start, New Yorkers are known for loving hats. They love the accessories. So how did you actually get into making hats? And I know that there's a story of a trip to Europe and a heartbreak, so if you want to tell a little bit about that.
Well, I always loved hats my entire life, and I wore them from a very young age and started wearing them more frequently as an adult as well.
So what's the process? Like I love hats, but I would have no idea of how to do one for me. So how would that process work?
So the first step is kind of deciding what material you want to use. Do you want more of a felt or do you want to work with straw? And straw, there are endless options, from Panamas having 10 different grades to parasols to parasols. Like, there are so many options with straw, but I'm still figuring it out. When it comes to felt, it's a little bit easier to decide. You can work with wool, you can work with rabbit fur felts from Europe, you can work with beaver fur felts, and there's different grades of each felt as well.
So which one are you gonna teach me how to do?
So I was thinking that because I'm launching my kids line this
nice.
week,
If you have kids with hats, they are adorable.
So we just had these molds made today. So I'll give that one a shot. So all the hats start in a felted form. This is how we bring them in. We don't felt them actually here. This is one of the only processes that we don't do in-house.
Okay.
So once the slip cord is reached all the way down to the bottom, we typically will let it sit for a few hours, overnight, 12 hours, but enough time that it allows it to take its shape to the actual form. Okay. After that, or during that, we'll block out the brim as well. So this has a little bit of a longer cape line, so we might cut this down, but then after that we'll move the block straight down and we'll block out the brim as well from there.
Okay. What's this thing? It's a secret potion, okay. Oh, this is amazing. Just looking at it, it's amazing.
So it depends on how much distressing you want. If you want to let it go for a while, you can let it go.
How do you put it? Okay. How long does it take for you to make a custom hat?
We can make it.
Aside of the process of like the creation and like once you start doing, like how long can it take?
I can make a hat in 4 hours if I need to. Like, if you get an email from someone that says, you know,
I need it by tonight.
So-and-so is leaving for the Kentucky Derby, or so-and-so is leaving for Coachella. We had so many hats that we sent out for Coachella, that you get their measurements so late that you just have to do. But we typically take at least, you know, a week or so.
Oh, wow.